Hey, this is Beau Powers again. I got another song for you. This song's called The Buckle Mark. I think you're going to like this. She was sitting on the bar stool, fine as wine. The place was packed for a real good time. There were hot little cowgirls everywhere you looked. Her body language was hot as hell. She looked at me and I could tell the reaction on my face. She read like a book. So I made my way out through the crowd and over to her stool. I opened up my mouth, yelled out like a redneck fool. There ought to be a buckle mark in the small of your back. I'd ride your heart out of the chute, you'd have a heart attack. You'd buck and squeal and call my name, I'd roll you in the sack. There ought to be a buckle mark in the small of your back. I'm a timid girl, but you ain't got a clue. Just pour me another shot of that stuff and I'll make your dreams come true. Didn't get this wild tattoo for being daddy's girl. Now bring along your come on lines and let me rock your world. There ought to be a buckle mark in the small of your back. I'd ride your heart out of the chute, you'd have a heart attack. You'd buck and squeal and call my name, I'd roll you in the sack. There ought to be a buckle mark in the small of your back. Said, come on baby, take a chance. Said, I don't even need romance. Lay you on the floor of my shack. Place that buckle square in the small of your back. That's right. Baby, you know that's what I like. Now that's a tattoo. Yeah. Hey, y'all come on back and we'll play you some more stuff.